Hamjambo nyinyi wote. Hamjambo nyinyi wote. Hamjambo nyinyi wote.
I greet you all.
Pastor Kakande,
Omusumba Kakande,
the honorable ministers who are here,
baminisita b'enjawulo abali mu kifo kino,
the worshippers who are here,
abasinza abamemba b'ekkanisa eno,
and all the Ugandans who are watching.
ne bannayuganda bonna abatulaba.
I want to congratulate your church
Njagala okuyozaayoza ekkanisa yo
in building this magnificent worship center.
okuzimba ekkanisa eno eriko bulungi bw'eti.
Pastor Kakande may not remember, but I had come here before.
Era muteekwa okujjukira Pastor Kakande nzijukira najja wano mu
So
kusooka.
many years ago, I came to your ramshackle place.
Emyaka egy'ensa emabega eyo najja mu kkanisa ye era eyali erabika obubi.
I don't remember which year was it.
Siyinza kujjukira mwaka naye
So I congratulate you.
kale nkuyozaayoza.
Now, the issue of freedom of worship.